this is a steep little hill. I think I'm good. But yo, the car is so loud in here. I made it pop. I'll probably show you guys a clip. I recorded on my phone though. It's crazy loud. Nice little 4 Series. I think you got red interior. Nah, it looks like brown. Bro, I'm just leaving a soccer game again. I'm always leaving a soccer game in my videos. Do you guys like to see the nighttime POVs? So back again with another one. Damn, no pops. It's not warm yet though. Bro. Bro, you dead on merged into my lane, bro. What the fuck? About to give you a little cutting off action though. I know I say I never cut up, but a bunch of people, bro, have been telling me just do it because it's most of what people want to see. So I'm not going to be a cutting up YouTuber, but I'm going to do it here and there sometimes for you guys to see it. Off the highway soon though, so I won't even be on it that long. Still give you guys a little bit of action though. Bro, I would try to make that cut, but do I trust myself that much? I do, but I don't know if it's worth it. Yeah, they blocked this lane on the highway. That sucks because I could have been swimming around there a little bit. It's hard to cut up when it's only 2 lanes because if the traffic isn't perfectly like lined out, there's no way I'm gonna make the cut. Getting off right here though. What kind of Audi is this? S4 or A4? I think it's an A4. Alright bro, back with the pops again. Done cutting off for tonight. Ain't even popping though. Okay. Nah. Woo. Damn, that shit sounds crazy though. It's not a Hellcat, but it does sound good. Bro, I hope he's going the same way as me. This car is in front of me now, bro. He's not even going. I wanted to get in behind Durango. They sound crazy though. I heard a Hellcat Durango probably like a couple weeks ago, bro. They sound crazy. The shifts are nasty on that thing. I would get a Hellcat too. Oh nah, that sounds crazy. Bro, he's 1 car ahead of me. don't know if you guys can hear it, bro. I hope this Audi turns. I don't know if he brake checking me or what he doing, but I think you guys can kind of see it. Sounds crazy. I hope he revs it. But I heard a sick 340i yesterday. I'm gonna throw the clip in the video, you guys can see it. He's gonna take the light. He's turning, bro. Alright, give me a pull. Bro, the shifts sound crazy in them, I'm telling you. I heard the Hellcat one, bro, and that's probably the nastiest shift I've heard. Like the V8s, when they shift, sounds crazy. Turbo's full, bro. I know. I can imagine what a big turbo sounds like. I was gonna do that in this car. I was gonna go big turbo and go all out, but I don't know, bro. I think I'm gonna save that for the new car. The car sounds so good though when it doesn't pop. It sounds good when it pops too, but just the pure sound with no pops, no burbles, nothing, sounds crazy. And there's the burbles now. Hope it's not too windy, bro. Damn. That's one of the cop cars. I was about to say, is that a cop? But I don't think no cop car is gonna sound like that. Sound pretty good. I think they have like the actually fast one of those. I'm not sure if those are the one the cops drive, like the faster ones, but like every car you have like the base model and then you have the faster one. I've heard the faster one of those are actually pretty fast. Maybe it's what the cops drive though. Maybe that's why they drive it. Launch control. Let me see if there's no cops. Nah. Bro, this shit is actually fast. I'm not sure how much horsepower I even make. I usually just say 420 because that's what it says on MHD. But my car is not the electronic wastegate, it's the pneumatic wastegate, or I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, pneumatic wastegate, something like that, bro. I know how it's spelled, PNEU, something like that. But my car is not the electronic one. I've heard those are actually faster, and I think those are what makes 420. So I'm not sure exactly how much my car makes, but it should be at least like, I know it's somewhere between 380 to 420, but I don't think I'm getting the full 420 though. I feel like it's probably like, I think it's like exactly 400 or something like that. I'm not sure. I could dyno the car, but I don't know, bro. It's not that fast to take it to a dyno and all. But it is pretty fast for what it is. The fact that it's probably only like 3 something, probably like 390, 400 horsepower, it's pretty fast. It's the fastest car I've been in at least, so that's why it feels fast. I know if I get like a B58 next or S55 stage 2 plus, I'm gonna go like E50 or E85 if E85 is possible. With the, I'm not sure if E85 is possible with the B58. I'm pretty sure if you go single turbo and all of that, then definitely with like upgraded injectors and all, I think you can get E85. I know for a fact you can do it on the S55 though. But my next car, I'm for sure going like the ethanol blend. Most likely E85 once it's possible. Maybe I'll start at E50, then go up to E85. But for sure, whatever I get next, I want to be pushing at least 500 to the wheel. It's gonna be way faster than this, bro. Damn, the POVs are gonna be crazy with that car, whatever one I get. I'm just making them pop, bro. Getting some distance and I'll do a pull. All you guys probably were hearing is a window. But also, by the time you guys are seeing this video, the merch drop is going to be up, and my car store where I sell a bunch of car mods. Like everything on my car pretty much is like my products. So front lip, muffler tips, everything, bro. I have a bunch of other stuff as well for other cars. So by the time you guys are seeing this video, that website is up. It's actually up already, so yeah, that's up. You guys can go grab anything for your car, link in the description. And same with the merch. By the time you guys are seeing this video, the merch is going to be up. So I'll throw up some pictures on screen of what it looks like. Damn, I forgot I was in manual. But I'll throw up some pictures on screen. If you guys grab anything, just shoot me a text on Instagram, show me that you got something, I'll repost it, and feel free to go check that out, link in the description as well. Bro, I know on here it says 480 horsepower, but I am not making 480, bro. That thing is capping. I am not making 480. And it says 560 torque. 100% I'm not making that. But that's what it says though. Only if, bro. Only if. Fuck. I'll probably just go this way. Nah, I'll go this way. There's too much cops up there. I'm not trying to deal with that. I don't know if you guys saw those people breaking necks. I don't know if it's a good way or a bad way, but breaking necks regardless. I always try to switch up the route, bro, but there's so much cops in this area that I don't know where to drive. Waking up some people tonight. Yeah, there's a bunch of cops here, bro. Like the other night I was going in, my pops and everything, man, they have a whole game going on over there. But yeah, I was going in, bro, and like the guy behind me, the cop pulled him over. I don't know if he meant to pull me over thinking it's the other car that was popping or what, but bro, I just parked up ASAP, shut my car off, and I was just chilling, bro. But there's a bunch of cops in this area. Maybe this is even one, I don't know, but I'm going to do the pull regardless. I have no clue where I'm even going, bro. I'm just driving around trying to find home. And that's a sick ass house. Crazy car, bro. I'm gonna go this way. I think that's where my house is, somewhere down here. I never take this road, that's why. I wanted to pop beside these buildings, bro. Come on. Nah. That's the thing, it doesn't pop. Like when you push the car, like when you step on it super hard, it doesn't pop right after. I don't know why, but probably some safety thing. But it does not pop right after, bro. I'm gonna go down here. I just not trying to run into any cops. Which way do I even go, bro? Oh, I think I go left. Damn. Down here is where I saw the cop. So hopefully I don't run into him tonight. I'm trying to make it pop so bad, but it's not. This car does not fail to put a smile on my face, though. That's one thing for sure. I see some lights. Nah, I ain't a cop. I'm chilling. Sounds too good, bro. I swear. Nah, that's enough for me for tonight, though. I'm almost home, so. Oh, this guy wants to hear it. Bro, I love when people give me like the thumbs up and shit. Like when they want to hear the car. That's sick. But yeah, that's enough of me for tonight, bro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Catch y'all again in another POV or whatever video I make next. Thank you for watching though.